I rise to ask question number 170 of 2015 listed under my name in today's order paper. The question is directed to the Honourable Minister for Local Government, Housing, Infrastructure and Transport. Would the Honourable Minister inform the House what is the requisite time frame of design and build master agreement, DBMA, between the Housing Authority of Fiji and the contractor, Top Symphony, regarding the development of Waila City? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. I give the floor to the Honourable Minister for Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I also thank the Honourable Member. Madam Speaker, following my response in this Honourable House, in the February sitting, I had informed that the design and the build master agreement was signed in May 2012. This agreement is valid for 7 years. Discussions have been held since between the Housing Authority and the contractor to ensure that the final agreed pricing will be for the affordable price for the people. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Supplementary question, the Honourable Salafiran Rondro.
Yeah, I thank the Honourable Minister for his response, and particularly in highlighting again his response in February, in which I had raised a supplementary question, and which to date I still have not received any response, because at your direction, Madam Speaker, he was to give a written response. And again, I quote the question. The question was, what was the projected total cost of the project? If it's going to be funded through loan, where's the loan from and what are the loan conditions? And also, how much it has cost the government as it to date. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, your ruling was, and I shall read that the Honourable Minister may provide the Honourable Member with an answer at a later date or in writing, and there was no time frame. The reason being the discussion is still going on. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you.
Supplementary question, Madam Speaker.
Supplementary question, the Honourable Ngaboko.
Madam Speaker, the concern by the public, Madam Speaker, is that it's taking too long, and equipment that were brought in are now sitting idle, and some are rusting. Can we just get a clear indication from government? Is this going to take off, or will it just fall apart? Right now, it looks like it's not going to happen. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I really don't know what equipment he's talking about, but let me assure this Honourable House that if we fail in this deal, that does not mean the development will stop. But I can assure this House that there is some positive signs. But at the same time, we all must understand that that development took place to provide housing for the very poor people. So what we are doing right now, it will take off, Madam Speaker.
Thank you.
But the delay is on the pricing. It may take some time, but let's get it right. Thank you.
I give the floor to the Honourable Nanobu.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Projects, major projects such as this, Madam Speaker, normally there are prerequisites to be followed before any approval or time frame to be given, like the MOU. There must be a signed MOU in place which specifies what time will this project starts and what time are you expected to complete. Secondly, there must be some scheme plan that will assist them in working out the cost that they're waiting for. Thirdly, there must be approved engineering plans to satisfy the costing that they're going to impose or to be included in this project. Have they been done, Madam Speaker?
Thank you.
Thank
Honourable
you.
Minister.
Madam Speaker, as I've stated, that the design and build master agreement was signed in May 2012. Thereafter, the process took place. The plan was submitted to Town and Country Planning, which was approved. The EIA was carried out, which was approved by Ministry of Environment. The earthworks plan was submitted to Director Town and Country Planning, which was approved. What I'm trying to say here is that what we are interested in is the price. That is more important to us. And we'll make sure that we'll get it right. Thank you.
Thank you. And the last supplementary question, the Honourable Joseph Ndula Kivirata.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I thank the Honourable Minister for the answers. My question is, was there a tender called for this project? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, this was asked me in the last sitting as well. And my response to this was that the board has approved this. Thank you.
Thank you.